So in this video we are going to talk about a previous year question on class 10. So there is a circle with the diameter, and there is a tangent to the circle, and there is a line which acts as a chord and intersects with this tangent, and in this point of intersection with the circle there is another tangent. Okay, so let's just mark the respective points. Let this point be A, this point be P, this point be B, this point be C, and this point be D. Okay, and we just needed to prove that the tangent drawn at C bisects AB, that is this red tangent bisect this line segment AB at P. Okay, at this point P, that is P is the point of bisection. And in this diagram we already can prove that AP is equal to CP. Why? Because P here is an external point, and we knew the theorem that tangent drawn from an external point, tangents drawn from an external point are equal in length. Okay, so which makes AP is equal to CP. So this will be equal to this, and we just need to prove CP is equal to PB, or PC is equal to PB. So if we prove PC equal to PB, we can say that AP is equal to PB, which may ultimately implies that P is the point of bisection. Okay, so let's just go with the proof. So to prove that, we consider the diagram and we mark the respective points, and now we need to prove that PC is equal to PB. So we need to prove PC is equal to PB. So to prove this, I am going to now connect this line, this point AC, and we knew that angle ACD is equal to 90 degree because it is an angle in semicircle. Angle in a semicircle will be 90 degree. Okay, so this angle is 90 degree, which makes this 90 degree. Angle ACB is also 90 degree because angle sum property using that angle ACB is also 90 degree. So let that be. And now we are going to consider angle TAC equal to X, that is this angle as X. Okay, so when I consider that angle as X in triangle CAB, consider the triangle CAB. Okay, and when I apply angle sum property in that triangle, let this angle be Y. Let me take this angle as Y. Which angle? This one as Y. And when I apply angle sum property in triangle CAB, I get angle X plus angle Y plus 90 degree equal to 180 degree. Okay, which makes angle Y equal to 180 minus 90, 90, 90 minus X. Okay, let it be 90 minus X, right? Now we just need to make these two angles equal, that is angle Y is equal to this angle. Let me take that angle as Z. Okay, we just need to prove angle Y equal to angle Z, which ultimately makes the triangle PCB an isosceles triangle, and PC will be equal to PB. Okay, so to prove that, that is angle PCB, which is angle Z, is equal to same as 90 minus X. We already knew that in triangle APC, which is an isosceles triangle, because AP is equal to CP. It is an isosceles triangle, right? So, which makes angle PAC is equal to angle PCA, which is equal to X. Okay? Which is equal to angle X. Now, angle ACB equal to 90 degree. We knew that. Angle ACB is equal to 90 degree. Okay? And we can write angle PCB which is equal to Z, angle Z, as angle ACB minus angle ACP. Okay, that is angle ACB is 90 degree minus angle ACP is nothing but ACP is PCA, which is equal to X. Okay, now we have proved that angle Z is also 90 minus X. So which ultimately proves that from these two we can say angle Z is equal to angle Y. And now in triangle PCB, okay, in triangle PCB, we get angle Z is equal to angle Y, which makes PC is equal to PB. And we already knew PC is equal to PA from previous, because tangents drawn from an external point are equal in length, and PA is equal to PC and PC is equal to PB, which ultimately makes that point P is bisection point of AB. Hope you guys understood the problem. Like, share and subscribe. Easy math.